I'm Amanda, a sex therapist, and we're going to talk about Sensate focus exercises today. Stay until the end to get a touch guide and to learn more about ways to bring this even deeper with the partner. Sensate focus is a type of therapy and practice that you do at home. The idea is to decrease anxiety and increase the ability to understand what you like when it comes to being touched. How does Sensate focus work? Well, it requires 20 to 30 minutes of time 2 to 3 times a week, uninterrupted 30 to 60 minutes. So this is kind of difficult for some folks. If it's difficult for you, adjust it, do it only once a week. However, it's important to practice these exercises individually if you're having these issues, or with the partner if it's happening in partnered sex, so that we can get through what's happening, get to the other side of transforming problems into pleasure. The environment ought to be relaxing, no pets, no TV, calm setup. So Sensate Focus is a 5-part process. So for the first time, we're doing body touch, no genitals. If you can be naked, awesome. If you can't, gentle, flowing clothing. So we're gonna set up 30 minutes of time for each person, so block off 60 minutes. Who's gonna receive first? And then halfway through, we'll have like a gentle timer, and then we'll switch and the other person receives. This is step 1, non-genital touching. So in this, you're gonna touch the person everywhere except for their chest, buttocks, and genitals. So the second phase takes as long as the first phase, 30 minutes each. This time we can include chest and genitals. The point is not to focus any more or less on one part than the other. We're gonna touch the entire body, including chest, genitals, buttocks. Same thing, we're gonna switch halfway through. So 30 minutes in, time to switch. Have you ever tried this before? Write some comments below, what do you think? The next phase is adding lotion or lubricant. This brings different sensation because now the hands are gonna slide across the body in a way that's more pleasurable, less friction. So we're gonna add lotion or lubricant. We're gonna make sure no one's allergic. And again, at least 30 minutes per person. Mutual touching. So here you can touch your partner's genitals. And here the difference is the point is not orgasm. We're not going to orgasm, we're just going to touch. So we've added and we're building. So this is the 4th step, mutual touch. Finally, step 5, sexual intercourse. That includes kissing, oral sex, and or intercourse. So this step is when we build up enough trust. We do not want you to go back to orgasm-driven sex though. We want you to keep all the things you've been learning through this step-by-step process with your partner to bring into your sex life going forward. The goal is sensation focus, not orgasm focus when we're doing Sensate focus step-by-step. This kind of technique is going to bring you to new places with yourself or with one another. When you click on the link below, you get a touch guide for free, and we have another webinar that you can get to further improve your relationship with self and sensations. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell, comment below. Catch you next week.